We are done with part 2 of our basic task. Now let us start off with part 3, that is dress up features. Dressing up feature is done by applying commands to one or more supports. The application provides a large number of possibility to achieve the features meeting your needs. So let us start off with edge fillet. Let us select a plane and select sketch. And draw a rectangle. Exit the workbench. And let us pad it. On both direction of 30 mm. Now we have an option and select fillet, radius of 5, and this part, this edge, and this edge has to be filleted. Now click on OK. You can see that the corners are not sharp but are filleted. We can also increase it to 10. Click on OK. We get the output as this. If we want to fillet the whole cube, then we can select the face and click on OK. We have filleted the whole cuboid using edge fillet. Let me delete this fillet. And now for variable edge fillet, click on this. Let the radius be 12. Select this point and click on OK. Here, double click on the fillet. You can see that point 2 can be given as 10. Preview. You can see that there's a variation in the fillet. You can again give another dimension of maybe 20. Preview. Okay. So this is how the fillet can be done for variable radius fillet. You can again double click on it and click on this point element and select a point in between. Close it and give its radius as 5 and click on OK. You can see that the fillet is varied from the top to bottom again. So this is how you use variable fillet. Now let's delete this. So imagine we have a figure like this and we want to use fillet between these two profiles. Then we have to select this, click on face to face fillet, select the other face and click OK. You can see that these two are joined using a fillet. We can also change the degree, the radius accordingly. Here. This is how we use face-to-face fillet. Now let us move on to chamfer. Chamfering consists in removing or adding a flat section from a selected edge to create a beveled surface between the two original faces common to the edge. So this is chamfer. Click on that. Select the edge. You can see that it's 1 mm length and an angle of 45. So let us change it to 4 mm at an angle of 45. Click on OK. you can see that this part is chamfered. It can be done to any part. Use chamfer, preview, OK. Now this part is also got chamfered. Now drafting is defined on molded parts to make them easier to remove from molds. Like click on the surface, click on sketch. Let me draw a circle and a rectangle. Exit workbench. Now for drafting we need to pad the 2D sketch. Pad both two. Okay. Now click on drafting angle. Click on the circumference we have to draft, and then the neutral element being the top surface, and the pulling direction should be down. Click on preview and click on OK. Cut down the angle to 10. This is the drafting angle. So this helps to remove the molded part easily from a mold. Now let us do the same thing to the rectangle. Click on draft angle, click on the circumference, then this surface and this surface. Select the neutral part as this. Now and the pulling direction is down. Give preview. OK. You can see that it's changed. So this is called drafting.